Day-to-day life in Puerto Plata. These are the things people ask Hervy about most once they're thinking beyond vacation and starting to picture real life here. The first question is almost always about Spanish. Do you need to know it? No. He's been here over a year and didn't arrive speaking Spanish. He's learning slowly, but day-to-day life has been manageable. Many people here speak at least some English and are usually happy to help. There are also a lot of veterans and retirees who have lived here 5 to 10 years and still don't speak much Spanish, although some speak it well. He was working on an app to help with communication, learning the language, and understanding the culture all at once. It's at langalink.com. It's in beta, but you can try it out and see if you like it. Has something he calls cultural insights. Here are the other common questions he gets. If something's missing, feel free to ask in the comments. 1. What does a normal day look like? Well, define normal. What's normal for one is strange to another. Watch what he does with his beet juice. Next question. Just joking. Life here can be very simple or very active. It's your choice. Some people wake up, grab coffee, work online, go to the beach, and call it a day. Others spend their time eating out, being social, or doing excursions. There's no pressure to live any particular way. He likes to start early morning walking to the port or along the beach, or both, sometimes stopping to get beet juice and coffee at one of his favorite local spots, and then getting to work. This video didn't edit itself, you know. A group of vets get together most evenings, and sometimes he will join them. Sometimes he's off shooting footage, crashing the drone, playing ping pong, or going on an excursion, or looking at real estate. There is no limit to the options. The question is, what do you want to do? 2. Cost of everyday living. Groceries, eating out, transportation, internet, all are generally very manageable compared to the U.S. You don't need luxury money to live comfortably, but where and how you live matters. Hervy is actually working on an app that tracks what everyday items have cost him over the past year to give people a realistic picture. He's kept all of the receipts for a whole year just for this project. It's free and will be announced here when done, if y'all leave a comment saying you actually want it. 3. Internet and working online. Yes, reliable high-speed internet exists. Many people work online here every day. Like most things, quality depends on where you live, but it's absolutely workable. In the area where Hervy lives, most necessities are within walking distance. All of his work is online and includes uploading videos like this. So, relax. You can check that box. 4. Power and utilities. Power outages do happen occasionally. In many areas, they're short and predictable. Some places have backup power, others don't. It's part of life here, but usually not a crisis. Hervy's electric bill typically ranges between $30 to $70 per month. 5. Getting around, you can walk, take a taxi, or hop on a motorbike. Transportation is easy and inexpensive. A car isn't necessary unless you want one. In most city areas, you can walk outside and flag down a motorbike within minutes. Taxis have common pickup spots. Grocery stores and popular locations usually have drivers nearby. They even have Uber. If you come here and gets in touch, Hervy can point them to reliable drivers who speak English and Spanish, in case they also need translators. The airport is about 20 minutes away and can cost from 500 to 1,500 pesos, depending on who you call. Go to drpuertoplata.com and look for his preferred taxi driver, Juan. Always check your rate against Uber. 6. Social life and nightlife.
Right there.
You can be as social or as private as you want. Bars, restaurants, events, and live music are easy to find. Local vets and Americans go to Waffles and Wings to catch up. Don't go overboard with jewelry. You don't want the attention-rich American attention. There are clubs at the casinos and lots of smaller local clubs. There is a club on the resort, but you have to be a guest at the hotel to go, or know somebody. 7. Safety and comfort. Like any city, some areas are better than others. For most people, day-to-day life is normal and uneventful. Understanding how things work matters more than fear. Puerto Plata isn't perfect. No place is. But for the right person, it can be very comfortable and surprisingly easy. If you're researching or planning ahead, feel free to ask questions here. Hervy will keep sharing what daily life actually looks like. I know what you're thinking. Okay, well, what about the stuff you're hiding? It can't all be good. Well, that's in an upcoming video. So ask questions in the comments like subscribe, hit the notifications, and stay tuned.